Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles it, and I'm back with another video. In this video, guys, it's a highly requested video, so I figured let me just give it to you guys so I can just continue on with the rest of the content that I have for you guys this month. And welcome to November, guys. This is my birthday month, so hopefully we can make this a fun month, guys. Come on, let's go. Like up all the videos, ask me all the questions you want, and Alicia will handle it for you. And if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, unboxings, tutorials, wigs, finger waves, cutting, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. Now, guys, pay attention to this video. It's not that long. It's just basically an ASMR, watch me work, and hopefully you guys can take something away from this and add it to your own technique. And yeah, so guys, stick around to the end, like the video, and love you, handlers. So if you're wondering why I'm using multiple pieces, it's because I'm trying to keep my circle at a complete circle on top, and if I keep going around with the same piece, it might not end up in the center perfectly where I want it. So I always add other pieces of tracks to ensure that my circle is a complete circle, as you can see here. So in my opinion, in order for your closure to come out right, you must glue your tracks completely close together. Not on top, but just about on top of each other. So when you split it open, you see no tracks. You just see complete hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stick around for the next one. It won't be too long after this one, guys. So make sure you like the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Get me up to 5,000 subscribers, guys. I'm almost there. Thank you very much for everyone that has supported the channel so far. And I'll see you next time. Mwah.